Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Harish, and in this channel I use various no code tools online and showcase how you can build different types of tools, be it websites, mobile apps, or even just prototypes or MVPs for ideas that you probably have in your head. Before I jump into the tutorial, I would really urge you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It will really help me push for more videos and different types of new tools that are coming out. Okay, let's get started. In this demo, what we are going to do is use an API, which is an anime API, which gives different series, or basically the in this video we are going to look at using an API to pull data into a Google Sheet, and then using that Google Sheet to create a simple website on spreadsimple.com. Spreadsimple, if you don't know already, is a tool that converts your Google Sheet into a website and gives you different options that you can customize on the website. If you haven't checked my first video on Spreadsimple, I will link that down in the description below, and also on the icon on the top right corner, so that you can go check it out, where I create a affiliate store without coding on this platform itself. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to use this API, which will give you a list of all the series of an anime that you search for. So let's say I want to create a list for this specific anime, Naruto. This is the response from the API. So, and this is the URL. So what I would do is I would copy this URL and be ready to pull this information into a Google Sheet, right? So the next step is to obviously create a Google Sheet. So I'm going to say Naruto anime list, and how do I pull data into this Google Sheet? If you missed my import JSON video, I made a video where you can simply give the URL and fetch data into a Google Sheet without coding. So API returns a JSON format data that you can import into Google Sheet, for which you need to do just one step. I will link the video in the description below, so you can go check that out and learn how to import any type of API data into Google Sheets without coding. So yes, now let's just quickly pull the data into the Google Sheet. So to import the sheet, we will have to just do import JSON and provide the API URL that we have copied earlier from here. We just quickly copy that again and yep, paste it here and just say enter, and it should pull all the data that the API returns into the sheet. That's it, perfect. So we have the image of the anime, the name, and if it is currently airing or not, and then there is a synopsis, then there are a number of episodes, and the score of the anime, and when it was started and ended, and the rating as well. So there is a lot of data that we can use to pull this into the Spreadsimple application. So what we'll do is let's quickly copy the URL for the sheet. All you need is just the URL, and let me copy the sheet, and once I'm done, I will do plus here, create a new project, paste the sheet and click continue, and it should do the magic by pulling all the data into this tool. Now our next steps here would be to customize this tool and display the data that we prefetched, right? So we have different sets of data. There is title, there is type, etc. So let's see how we can customize the same into a website on the tool. So I'll just remove this for now and leave the website there, and then go to content, and in the content you can choose what is the title. For us, the title is results title, and then the subtitle could be, you can pick anything. I would, for subtitle, I would pick result type, because it's a it shows if it is a TV or a movie, TV show or a movie. And for the price, I don't think we have a price, so let's not do price. Instead of price, what we will do is we will do if it is airing or not here, and then as a text we will do the synopsis, right? And for the image we need to select the image, so I'm just going to select the request image URL. So you can see that all of this has been fetched, and price is showing as 0. So instead of airing, instead of airing, what we can do is we can also probably do the rating of this. Yes, so you can see what type of rating this is. And in case you want to specify something else, as in here in this case we'll do specifications of start date and end date, so that is also displayed here. And then now you can also enable the card size here. So now we have different size cards, and here we have 3 columns and here we have 4 columns. And yeah, search is enabled by default so that you can search for any specific anime. So let's say if I want to search for this one, it'll show up, so it works by default. Now we can also enable filters for which users can search or filter the results out. So yep, let's enable filters from the left, and then I will choose specific columns which are which make more sense. So type is one, what type of anime is it, and then we can also add multiple columns into this. So let's also add the rating and the score. That's a good way to filter anime, I hope. So yes, these are the different ratings and these are the filters. And then you can also add sorting if you want to have custom sorting for each column. Instead of sorting, what I would do is just have pagination and have about, since we have 4 columns, I think 8 per page, and then we'll have multiple pages, as you can see. And yep, since this doesn't have any customization required for checkout or settings or SEO, you can leave that as is. And yeah, just change the website to Naruto Anime name, as in the name to Naruto Anime, and click on publish. You will be asked for the name, so I'll just name it naruto.spread.name. If you want to add your own domain, it will cost you $10 for it. So yep, let me just quickly click on save, and this should be saved. Okay, domain is already taken, so I'll do narutoanime.spread.name and click save, and that's it. The website is ready for us to be able to share it with anybody we want, and that's how you convert a Google Sheet into a fully functional website, essentially. And in case you want to link this, so if you say there is a link to the anime itself, and if you want to give a link for each item, you can also do that. You can go to content, and then here in the buy now section, you can do, instead of buy, you can say no more, and select the column that has the link, which is results URL, and apply. So there is no more now. So now you click publish, and this should be updated. So now we just refresh this, and yes, we have it ready. So based on your screen size, it adjusts the number of columns. So based on that, I would recommend you to pick how many columns you want to show per page, right? So now if I say PG-13 anime, I have PG-13 anime. Then I want to see only TVs, so these are all the anime that came on TV. Yep, let's say I can do multiple filters. I can do PG and TV, so all the filters also work pretty good. So yes, that's what Spread Simple offers. Simple sites that you want to create, and there are multiple use cases as well that you can probably use to create on Spread Simple, which is an e-commerce site that I showed earlier in the form of an affiliate store. But if you have a simple e-commerce site and you want to collect payments on PayPal, you can pay and upgrade your account and use PayPal as well. So you can create an affiliate store. The link to that example is in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want to just create a site that showcases your restaurant and a menu that you have at your restaurant, you can do that. If you're creating a real estate based site where you have multiple projects, you want to showcase all the projects that a real estate company has, you can do that as well, and so on. So yes, That's what it takes to create a website these days from just Google Sheets. If you liked this video, do let me know in the comment section, and also drop a like to this video. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. That'll help me definitely do more videos and explore more tools that'll help you create websites or web apps, or essentially any type of product online. And yes, that's it for now. See you in the next one. Peace.